Good morning, guys. How's it going? My name's Ryan Duvall. I'm a assistant project manager here at Erlen Construction. Work on a couple of projects in our residential group. I work on the Beverly Depot project as well as our 4th Avenue project in Burlington. And today we are going to be taking you through what it's like in the day in the life on the project management side of things here at Erlen, specifically on the 4th Avenue project. So it's a little after 6:30 in the morning right now. I'm just leaving my apartment, as you can tell. We will join you guys shortly when I get to the office. All right, guys, quick drive later, and we've made it here to the office. So, walking into the office now. Most days, I get the pleasure of walking in and seeing Matt Combs, our senior project manager. As you'll see in a second, his office is right by this back door. So we're gonna go in, surprise Matt. He works on the project team with myself at 4th Ave. So we'll see how he's doing this morning. And here we are. Good morning, Matt. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Doing good.
So I just closed out a couple of submittals Stantec sent back, one for the overhead door color and one for the balconies. So we should be pretty caught up this morning.
Okay, perfect. A few steps later, and we're walking over to a little desk area. So let's see here. Got my boy Phil. What's up, Phil?
Yep.
So gonna get going. Time to show you guys a very important step in the day. That is coming into the kitchen, getting our morning cold brew. All right, so time to fuel up. There you go. We'll get us going for the day. So just spent a little bit of time going through some emails, getting caught up. Today I've got some millwork samples here, got some different fabrics, a bunch of different fabrics here for the 4th Ave project. I just put together a submittal package here for those fabrics I was showing you earlier today. So this is what will get submitted online, and then I have all those physical samples here. Gonna give those to the design team so they can go ahead and review, approve those, then we can get them ordered and whatnot for the building. So I'm gonna go check in with the other member of our project management team for the project, which is Sean McDonald, last but not least. So let's go pop into Sean's office and see what Sean's up to today. Hey, morning, Sean. How you doing? Good. How are you?
Not too bad.
What are you up to today?
Working on finalizing appliances for 4th Ave project. Bouncing between Drake It and Whirlpool on this one. So just wrapping that up right now, then off to a scheduling meeting after that with the 4th Ave team. So busy morning, but making progress.
There you go. Yeah. So we will we'll check back in with you guys at that scheduling meeting that Sean mentioned, and then we'll take you around the site. So see you in a bit. One nice thing about the 4th Ave project that we have in Burlington is that it is about a few hundred feet away from our office. So I'm actually walking from the office over to the job site. See, as I round this corner here, you guys can actually get a little glimpse of the job site there through the trees. You can see the crane currently swinging some panels and trusses into place in the building. So as you can see, about to get onto the site now. But figured as I was approaching the site, give you guys a little bit of info about the project. So this is, as I said earlier, the 4th Ave residence project here at Burlington, right off of 4th Ave. It's going to be an apartment building. It's going to be a total of 5 levels, 167 apartment units. The lowest level, the ground level, is going to be the parking garage. So there's going to be some covered parking for the tenants of the building. Then there's a post-tension concrete slab above that parking garage. And from there up, we'll have the apartment units. Above the parking garage also, there's going to be 2 courtyard areas. One's going to be a kind of an active courtyard. One will be a more passive courtyard for, sitting outside, reading, things like that. Be a couple great spaces for the tenants. And then in addition, there's going to be a number of amenity spaces within the building. So we're walking into the site now. You can see here. And about to walk into the trailer. Got our scheduling meeting going. All right, everyone. So in the trailer here, it's a little loud. We got the whole team in here. We're about to go through our weekly schedule update. It's over here at the mock-up, so got masonry install ongoing. Once that finishes up, we'll be putting in siding. As you can see, we got the windows in, so it's coming along, and in a little bit it'll be looking like a example of what the building finish is going to look like. There's Sean, who we met earlier, the PM on the project. So we're going to go take a walk through the building, see what's going on. 4th floor of the building. As you can see, got some wall panels being swung into place, getting installed. There's the crane that you saw earlier when I was walking over to the site. So things are moving out here. So we're still here in the 4th floor. You can see here, this is the Hambro system. So it's a new system we haven't used before. These floor joists here, proprietary, designed by Hambro. It's been working out pretty well. You can see that they have these little spreader bars here, and all this plywood is what is used for forming the concrete slabs that are poured above. This was a new system to us, but it's actually worked pretty well here. See corridor walls in there.
So they placed the 5th floor slab here yesterday. As you can see, they have the roll bars connected between the joists within 24 hours. So tomorrow they'll be stripping this plywood down, and then 24 hours after that we'll be ready to load.
So this is looking out into the other courtyard area. You can see we've got a bunch of interior and exterior wall panels that have come out to the site, ready to be swung up into place. Here's one of our supers, Chuck. Chuck, say hello to everyone.
Hello.
So Chuck's a recent member of the team. He's going to be working on the exterior of the building. Got some CMU install going on. All right, guys, so here with Matt. We just finished up our scheduling meeting and walked through the site. So we're walking back into the building, and we'll finish up the day from here. A little after 5 o'clock, I'm getting out of here, calling it a day. So thanks for coming along for the day. Hope you enjoyed seeing what it's like living the life of in the project management team here at Erling Construction. Thanks. Take care.